Have you ever wondered, banks look fancy, have giant buildings, and their employees wear sharp suits, but where do they get all that money? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's from you. Yep, your hard-earned cash. Today, I'll break down exactly how banks earn money from you in the simplest way possible. Stick around till the end, because number one is something you probably didn't even notice you're paying for. Welcome to Broke Banker, the channel where we make money talk so easy, even a 10-year-old could explain it back to their parents. So, let's dive into the big question. How do banks actually make money from you and me? Because trust me, they're not handing out lollipops for free. Let's start with the biggest trick, the deposit and loan game. When you put your money in a bank, say $100, the bank doesn't just keep it in a vault waiting for you. Nope, they take your money and lend it to someone else. Imagine this, you put $100 in savings, the bank might give you 1% interest. That means at the end of the year they pay you $1. Sounds nice, right? But here's the catch. They lend that same $100 to your neighbor Bob who wants to buy a car. Bob has to pay the bank 8% interest. That's $8. So the bank gives you $1 and they keep $7 as profit. Multiply this by millions of customers, and boom, that's why your bank manager is smiling at you like you're best friends. Next up, fees, fees, fees. Banks love charging for almost everything. Use another ATM? Fee. Forgot to maintain your minimum balance? Fee. Overdrafted by 5 cents? Big fee. It's like airlines charging you for extra luggage. Except here, you're paying for your own money. These little charges may seem small, but banks make billions from them every year. It's like death by 1,000 paper cuts, except your wallet is bleeding. Now let's talk about credit cards, the bank's favorite candy trap. They lure you in with rewards, cashback, and shiny plastic. But the real jackpot for banks? Interest rates. Miss a payment or only pay the minimum and boom, the bank slaps on 20% interest. Imagine buying a $100 pair of shoes and ending up paying $150 for them because of interest. Congratulations, you just donated to the bank's Christmas party fund. Oh, and those late payment fees? Another delicious cherry on top. Another way banks cash in is through investments and services. When you open accounts, buy mutual funds, or even just let the bank manage your money, they take a cut. It's called management fees. It's like hiring someone to mow your lawn, but instead of paying them once, they keep taking a slice of your grass forever. Small percentages here and there, but multiplied by millions of customers, it turns into huge profits. And finally, the sneaky part, hidden costs. Exchange rates when you travel abroad? Yep, banks sneak in a margin. Money transfers? There's a fee hidden in there. Even when you think something is free, chances are the bank is making money behind the scenes. Remember, if you're not paying for the product, chances are you are the product. Banks are the house, and like a casino, the house always wins. So there you have it. 5 big ways banks earn money from you. The deposit loan interest gap, endless fees, credit card traps, investment management fees, hidden costs everywhere. The truth is, banks aren't evil. They're just businesses. But the more you understand how they make money, the better you can avoid being tricked into paying more than you should. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll play the game better than the banks themselves. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more financial tips explained in plain English. And hey, share this with someone who still thinks banks give away free money. Spoiler, they don't.